I am not going to be too long today. I'm going to try not to be too long today. I just wanted to give you a little update. As you can see, I hope I have you. As you can tell from the print, I make it busy. This was like a bonus project that I did. It fell to my heart because summer is here. We got that summer weather now, and I want to enjoy every minute of it. So we can take the jackets off, and as you can see, I am happy. So I took that off too. It's summertime, so I want to enjoy it to the best, every moment of it as much as I can. And so this shirt fell. I have bought a favorite shirt. I'm trying not to be long. I have bought this shirt like years ago from Jamaica Avenue, and I enjoyed it. It has string, and I said I like the way it falls and how it fits. So I'm gonna make me one. And I had the extra fabric. That's what I was looking at. I had the extra fabric, so that inspired me to try to make the shirt. So I did, as you can see. It turned out real nice. I put the lining in and everything. I just went with my judgment on cutting it out, which turned out to be really nice. So I am going to enjoy it, and I'm going to try to make a dress based on it. Cutting out my first dress. I had went to the dollar store and I found these fabric, and I was like, oh, this will make a nice summer dress. So I'm using squares that I got at the dollar store to try to make a summer dress. Either top or dress, but I want to do a dress out of this top and take it from the bottom and just bring it down. So I think it's going to be real nice. So I hope it turns out that. And I'm doing this, as you can see in the background, my dress is still there. I went to the Walmart at Uniondale. I didn't see anything in the stretch fabric, in the pre-cut fabric. I'm thinking about the stretch, but no, did I see anything like this? Because I want to make some more of these, but I didn't see the fabric that stood out to me. So while I'm waiting to go to the other Walmart and hoping they still have the sunflower fabric so I can finish the dress right here, I am going to make this. I'm going to try to make a sundress out of the squares that I bought, and that'll open up a lot of doors because the squares are like $125 at the dollar store. And so I thought, and they're different colors. You probably can't see them, but they're kind of like the same style, same fabric, but just different. And I thought it would be so cute to do something very creative summertime. And the fabric is really nice. It'll be men can easily. So I'm hoping that's what I'm working on, and I'm going to finish cutting this out this weekend while I wait to go, because we're going out. So I stopped at Walmart, but I'm going to cut this out and try to get this done. And this shirt took me, once I cut it out, it took me like 20, 30 minutes to do the whole thing. I say within the hour because, I stop and go. But if you just cut it out and do it, you can do this shirt. Sew and go. I like that, sew and go. But it didn't take that long for me to do the shirt. I say 30 minutes once you get it cut it out. About 30, 45 minutes, the whole process. So you can sew and go. I like that. Sew and go. Put it on the go. So I'm wearing this today. It's nice and warm up here. Now we get the summer weather. So I'm going to enjoy this and enjoy my top. And hopefully, like I said, to get some more done. And while I'm waiting, I'll be doing that. I just wanted to stop and share that. So the reminder, show up in those places. We want to show up. We want to continue to receive so that we can be the blessing that God wants us to be. I really like this top. It really turned out nice. So that we can be all that God wants us to be, and we can continue to go forward and manifest the kingdom version inside of us, inside out, so that we can live the kingdom living here on earth as God intended for us to do in abundance. So God bless you. See, I'm trying to do. God bless you. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. We're going into the weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Continue to go forward to be the best version. We'll meditate upon those words, because we want to be all that God wants us to be as like about earth until the Lord return. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye for now.